Hey guys, I'm Pravesh and you watching Spoken English, जहाँ पर आप सीखते हैं English through Hindi. In this video, we talk about people skills, how we can improve our people skills and what their type of people skills. So don't go anywhere else. Please watch this video till the end. Let's start. How will help you people skill in your life? So I give you an example. जब हम कहीं पर जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे इंटरव्यूअर इंस्टेड ऑफ टेक्निकल पैरामीटर्स वो आपको पीपल स्किल्स पे भी जज करता है। क्या आप में वह कैपेबिलिटी है, वह आप में क्या वह एबिलिटी है जिसमें आप कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हो, अपनी बात को अच्छे से रख पाते हो, या आप टीम वर्क करना चाहते हो। बिकॉज एनी कंपनी हैज़ अ रूल अबाउट टीम वर्क्स। आप इंडिविजुअली काम नहीं कर सकते, वहाँ पे आपको टीम वर्क में ही काम करना पड़ता है। अगर योर पर्सनैलिटी नॉट include in teamwork, so they will not hire you. So यहाँ पे कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस आती हैं पीपल स्किल्स की जो आपको फॉलो करनी पड़ती है। सो उसी टर्म एंड कंडीशंस एंड उन्हीं टेक्निक्स के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे, और एक मिथ्स के बारे में भी आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे हम फर्स्ट कैसे एक स्टेटमेंट जो स्टार्टिंग से हमारे दिमाग में भर दी गई है कि फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन इज अ लास्ट इम्प्रेशन। सो फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन इज नॉट अ लास्ट इम्प्रेशन, लास्ट इम्प्रेशन कुड बी अ फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन। So don't go anywhere else. Watch till the end because I give you a valuable information in this video, people skill. So let's start. People skills, communication, adaptability, and active listening, which is I told you before some time. People skills has three types: communication, adaptability, and active listening. How to communicate with others and how to communicate with your colleagues. This is main important part of your skills. So if you don't have communication skills, so you cannot communicate and you cannot across your ideas to others. So this is a very important aspect of people skills. Adaptability. If you are not able to getting adapt in any kind of situation in your life, in your company's prospect, you cannot survive there. So without you cannot survive there, you cannot continue with your job. So adaptability is must be required in your genes, in your mind, because you have to be adaptable according to companies' rules and regulations. So an active listening, whatever they told you, whatever they trained you, you have to be active listener first, then you speak. I give you a golden rule about life. If you follow these four steps, you never be unsuccessful in your life. Okay? First is speak less. If you speak less, you observe more. If you observe more, you react less. And if you react less, you listen more. So try to build your uh, build your skills about listening, because if you are not a good listener, you cannot continue with your you cannot be a good speaker. So first you have these three skills. You should have these three skills. If you don't have, you are struggle in your life. You getting into struggle in your life to get success. So don't miss these three skills. If you don't know about these skills, see this video till the end and I will explain you how important this is. Okay? Communication. When you communicate with others across your ideas, put your ideas to other people, if he convince, you have a good people skills. If he don't convince with your ideas, with your uh, whatever you saying about yourself, so he will not convince with you, then your people skills will less anywhere else. uh, so these three, communication is must be required in any kind of sector. So if you have communicate with attitude, with a mindset, if you don't, so please be there in this on this channel, because I will make you a good communicator. So people skills, adaptability and active listening. So these are three main skills about people skills. So after this video, I will upload a social skills, how to socially connected with peoples and how to enhance your knowledge about observations. And this is a golden rule which is followed by you. If you are not following these steps, you have to be lack your confidence in somewhere else. So and I give you a myths about statement like first impression is not a last impression, because without any had a conversation with others, you cannot judge them. So first you have to conversations, try to understand people, then you will make a judgment about them. So don't follow this statement, because this statement is, I'm not agree with this statements that first impression is last impression. According to me, last impression could be a first impression if you have that ability to grow yourself and build your skills in your life. So keep subscribe these channels and keep watching, and please stay tuned with us, because I'm uploading like that videos and valuable videos and give you a value about yourself. Good luck.